Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is middle extension underlined hovering animation. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Add a UL tag. Add LI tag with desired text. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. Let's start with body. Now add background color. And top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Now let's style a UL tag. Add margin 5%. Add the width of. Give it a flex display. Set lex direction to row. Set list style to none. Now add padding of 25 pixels, 10 pixels. And add border radius of 25 pixels. Now add border of 0.1 pixel, solid aqua color. Now add background color. Now add a box shadow 0 pixels, 4 pixel, 8 pixels, and of 0 pixels aqua color, and of 0 pixels of 6 pixels, of 20 pixels, and of 0 pixels aqua color. Now let's style LI tag. Keep margin auto. Add white color. And font size of 20 pixels. Give it a font family of consolas, cursor pointer. Now let's style LI tag after insertion and display it in block style. Add content with null values. Now, add the bottom border of 2 pixels solid aqua color. Now add bottom padding of 1 pixel. Transform to scale x0. Add a transition of transform 0.3 seconds with an ease in-out transition. Now let's style LI tag with a hover effect after insertion. Transform to scale x1. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. Now you can see changes occurred because of styling. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.